Hey guys, this is Bailey with Rogers Performance Marine. Today we're getting this 1875 Impact ready to go home. It's packaged with a Mercury 150 horsepower four-stroke. This year with all of our 2022 models, we're including a system called Vessel View Mobile. That way if you don't have a boat with SmartCraft gauges or any gauges for that matter, you can link this to your phone. It'll tell you all of your engine parameters, hours, when you need to service it, maintenance log, the whole nine yards. It's a really nice system to have if you don't already have it on your boat. Even if your boat does have SmartCraft gauges, it is nice to have. So really quickly, we just want to show you how simple this is to install. Then we'll give you a quick video on what it does once it's installed. You've got two connectors on this particular unit. I believe the Vessel View mobile system is going to be the same unit across the board for all Mercury engines. Sometimes you have to replace the connector on the end of this. On this particular application, we won't. So we're just going to be taking the terminator off that's located on the port side of the engine. Once you remove the cowling, we'll take and pull this out. It's got a quick button press to release, pull it off, and then you're just simply going to plug this one in here. Once you hear that click, you know it's good. You can pull on it, make sure it's tight. And then from there, we're going to take and zip tie the harness together. And on the 150, we found just underneath the main engine harness is going to be the best location to zip tie that off and get it out of the way. You'll just want to make sure you don't have any loose hanging wires or anything like that that can get caught in the flywheel or anything. So we'll get this installed, hooked up to the customer's phone, and we'll show you how it works.